crisis in everywhere in our country, and the crisis of gas cylinder, petroleum gas, and means petrol, diesel also. After some of the days, the problem will come. Then what should be the solution of this type of problem? About this, you both have to say.
Hello, my dear friends and my respected teacher. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Today I am standing here for saying something about the present crisis of our country. Means many of the countries are facing like this problem, and we are facing more because we know the population of our country also. Before saying anything, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nikhil Kumar and I belong to Tulsipatti. This is my short introduction. Really, friends, the things which is going on in our country is if we want to solve this problem, then it's not impossible. If we can try, then we can. Look, nowadays the way of coming gases and petroleums is banned by Iran, but we can get that thing from another country also. We know about our country because of the diplomacy of our country is good. We know, means every time we look our prime minister, our foreign minister, they visit all over the world. Then why we
all over the world.
all over the world?
Whole अगर बोलना है तो whole world बोलेंगे, अन्यथा all बोलेंगे तो over जरूर लगेगा. All over the world.
Yes, sir. They have been visiting all over the world. Then why we can't get from another country petroleum or gas? If they will talk about it, then it will means we can get that thing. Means now I am listening that the way of coming gases and petroleum is banned because our relation is good with Iran also and Israel also. But before this war, our prime minister visited Israel, and maybe because of which they are not giving us petroleum or gases. But if we want to, now crisis is going on, everyone is getting problem, then we should, means if we have power to do something, then we should think about it. If Russia also supply petroleum and petroleum, and many of the countries are such they supply gases. Then if we talk about them, then we can get those all things from there. And the things which we are facing, these things we are facing because of our government. Because I want to say a thing, there are lots of countries are such they have a stock for next 6 months, but we have a stock for 45 days, 50 days, like this we have a stock. And for gas we have, now I am not talking about now, means a stock. If crisis will happen, then we can survive only 45 days. Now we have less than 45 days. And for gases also we have less than 1 month that we can survive. If they will improve the storage capacity, then in upcoming time we will also not get problem. If like this thing will happen, then we can be able to face any type of problem, any type of crisis. But in some day of war we are getting like this problem, it's not good. And if they think to get those all product, then they can get from another country also. Friends, I have lack of time, because of which I want to finish my speech. Thank you for listening.
Hello friends, good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Before saying anything, I would like to pay my introduction because it's important. My name is Vishal Kumar and I belong to Suryapur. This is my short introduction among you. The situation,
ये कहाँ है वो? सूर्यपुर कहाँ है?
Suryapur
Oh, सूर्यपुर. Oh.
means the situation we are facing and our country is going to face more than now. Then for solving that one is there are nothing but way. But for that one means our government, if they will think that how I should means better than us, they have means idea, they have resource to solve that one. Means if we look the means geographical condition of our country, then we can means get many more gases and means petroleum near Gujarat. And if our government will try to refine that one, then from there means our country, the problem which one now we are facing, it can be finished. And he should means increase the stock, that if sometime in means upcoming time what will happen, and with with which country our country will go to fight, we don't know. Then here stock should be increased, that is our government should stock according to zone, means near maximum minimum he should make a stock for that according to zone he should settle that means for for his public. And if it will happen, then definitely the problem which one we are facing we will not face. And because of that only public is not facing problem, government is also facing problem. So suppose means now a fight will happen with that one, means with any country, on that time means our soldiers will become unable to means run their means what arms. And for that one he should be think they have a strategy, like our Jaishankar Sahab is available, he can solve, because he has visited many more of the countries, and from there he has made a strong relation. But here Iran and Israel fight is going, because of that means from ocean they are not going to take a risk, that if means petroleum and oil will they will start to transport, then it can be maybe means unusual, it can be become means here missile is they are launching and they are fighting, then it can be become harmful. And because of that one maybe our means PM is not allowing to that we should transport from there, but he should select another country like Russia. From Russia we make we means demand that what petroleum and fuel, from there we can solve. From Venezuela means there are nothing but country, they means they are sitting to sell gas, petroleum, like these things, then we can means supply from there. And here most thing that our government should become independent from Gujarat, because near Gujarat means petroleum means Gulf is available, and gas gas resource are also available. If our means government will try to become independent, then it can become, and it will be best solution for that one. It's nothing. Thank you.